In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Binance chart for a seamless and customized trading experience. Navigating the Binance trading platform can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with the right setup, you can make informed trading decisions quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into the process step by step, and soon you'll have your chart set up perfectly to fit your needs. To begin, open the Binance app on your device. Once there, head over to the trade section and select Spot. This is where you'll be choosing a trading pair. For this tutorial, let's go with a popular example, BTC USDT. Selecting the right trading pair is crucial as it determines what asset pair you'll be focusing on and analyzing throughout the day. Next, to get a better view of the data, tap on the chart area to expand it into full screen mode. This expanded view offers a clearer and more detailed look at the price trends and data analytics, helping you make more precise assessments of the market conditions. Now, for those of you who want to personalize your chart, tap on More to customize the chart's appearance. Here, you can adjust settings such as the theme, allowing you to switch between light and dark modes based on what's easiest on your eyes. You can also set the time zone to make sure that the chart reflects your local time for better contextual analysis. Then, move on to incorporating some technical indicators by tapping on Indicators. Binance offers a variety of tools such as RSI, MACD, and MA. These indicators are incredibly valuable for analyzing market trends and making trading decisions. Adding these to your chart will provide deeper insights and help you predict potential market movements. To navigate through the chart efficiently, you can pinch the screen to zoom in or out and swipe across your device to move the chart back and forth. This functionality allows you to focus on specific timeframes and data points, exploring how the asset prices have changed over time for comprehensive analysis. Finally, you can select time intervals directly from the top menu. Here, Binance offers a variety of options ranging from 1-minute intervals to daily intervals, which are represented as 1M, 1H, or 1D. Selecting the appropriate time frame is important for your trading strategy, allowing you to zoom in on immediate trends or step back for a longer term view. And there you have it. Your Binance chart is now fully set up, tailored exactly to your preferences and trading needs. Remember, the key to effective trading is not just analyzing charts, but making sure they're set up in a way that works best for you. Thank you for watching, and happy trading on Binance.